Honda Gold Wing has always been synonymous with long-distance touring luxury, a machine that riders all over the world associate with comfort, power, and reliability. It's a motorcycle that, for decades, has carried riders across continents, blending performance and refinement in ways few bikes could match. But as times change, so do the expectations of riders. Many touring enthusiasts are looking for more stability, more practicality, and more inclusivity in their machines. Enter the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike, Honda's answer for those who want the grandeur of the Gold Wing but with 3 wheels planted firmly on the road. It takes everything people love about the original Gold Wing and adds a new dimension of accessibility, safety, and convenience, while keeping its DNA intact. At the core of the Gold Wing Trike is the same legendary 1833cc, liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine that has made the standard Gold Wing a legend in the first place. This flat 6 is smooth, reliable, and brimming with torque. You can feel it pulling you along effortlessly, whether you're accelerating onto a highway, climbing mountain passes, or simply cruising at legal speeds with a full load of luggage and a passenger. The 6-cylinder configuration is one of Honda's crown jewels, and in the Trike it makes all the difference. The power delivery is silky, there's very little vibration, and because torque arrives low in the rev range, it never feels like it's straining. Even with the extra weight of the Trike setup, there's more than enough muscle to move confidently and keep pace with traffic anywhere. That engine is paired with 2 different transmission options. Purists can stick to the 6-speed manual gearbox, enjoying the familiar satisfaction of working the clutch and feeling each gear click into place. But the real star, especially for Trike riders, is Honda's dual-clutch transmission. This DCT has been refined over multiple generations, and in the 2026 Gold Wing Trike it shines. It shifts seamlessly, with options for automatic or paddle shifter manual control. In heavy traffic or during long touring days, having a DCT takes so much stress away. No more left-hand fatigue from constant clutch work, no more worrying about stalling when maneuvering at low speeds. For a heavy touring Trike, this is a real blessing. It makes the ride smoother, more accessible, and more relaxing. Now, handling is a big part of what makes a Trike different from a 2-wheeled bike. With 2 wheels at the rear and 1 at the front, the dynamics change completely. You don't lean into corners like on a motorcycle, instead, you steer more like you would a car. For some riders that adjustment takes time, but the reward is stability. At parking lot speeds, you don't need to balance. At stoplights, you can sit comfortably without putting your feet down. On inclines, there's no worry about tipping over or rolling back awkwardly. The 2026 Gold Wing Trike is built to give that peace of mind without sacrificing too much of the riding thrill. The front end of the Trike benefits from Honda's sophisticated double wishbone suspension. This is one of the Gold Wing's signature technologies in recent years, and it's particularly valuable here. The design separates steering forces from suspension forces, meaning the front wheel doesn't dive dramatically under braking and bumps or absorb more effectively. You get a front end that feels planted and composed, which is exactly what you want when piloting a large touring machine with 2 extra wheels behind you. In the rear, the suspension is strengthened and re-engineered to support the wider axle, the extra weight, and the demands of carrying gear and passengers. Honda engineers have worked to make sure the ride isn't overly stiff or harsh. Comfort is always a priority, but so is responsiveness. Braking is another area where the Trike excels. With 2 rear wheels on the ground, Honda equips the Trike with enhanced braking systems to keep stopping distances safe and predictable. Large discs, powerful calipers, and advanced ABS work together to ensure you can bring the machine to a halt smoothly even when fully loaded. The Trike's stability means you don't have to worry about losing balance under hard braking, something that can challenge riders of heavy 2-wheelers. It's a system designed to inspire confidence for both experienced riders and those new to 3-wheel touring. Long-distance touring isn't just about engines and brakes, though. Comfort is where the Gold Wing Trike really stakes its claim. Honda has carried over the plush, supportive seating from the 2-wheel Gold Wing and optimized it for Trike duty. The rider's seat is shaped to support the lower back and reduce fatigue, while the passenger seat is wide and cushioned, making it feel almost like sitting in an armchair. Both rider and passenger benefit from generous legroom and intelligently placed footrests. The windscreen is electrically adjustable, letting you fine-tune airflow depending on conditions, and the fairing channels air around you so you're protected from buffeting at highway speeds. The result is a calm, comfortable pocket of air that makes long days in the saddle surprisingly relaxing. Honda knows storage matters on a touring machine, and the Gold Wing Trike doesn't disappoint. Between the saddlebags, top trunk, and smaller compartments, you get serious carrying capacity. Whether it's helmets, jackets, travel bags, or groceries, there's space for it all. The compartments are weather-sealed and lockable, and the electronic opening systems are intuitive. For riders who love to take long journeys with a partner or even solo with lots of gear, the practicality of this storage setup can't be overstated. Technology plays a huge role in making the 2026 Gold Wing Trike stand out. You'll find a large, bright display that integrates navigation, trip information, and entertainment controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported, letting you connect your smartphone for maps, music, and communication. Bluetooth pairing with helmets or headsets ensures you can take calls hands-free or enjoy crystal-clear audio on the move. The sound system itself is premium, with speakers positioned for both rider and passenger so you can share the experience. Multiple ride modes allow you to tailor throttle response and power delivery to different conditions, whether you want maximum economy for a long stretch of highway or sharper response for winding back roads. Traction control, ABS, and hill start assist round out the safety features, while a reverse gear ensures you can back the machine into parking spaces without breaking a sweat. Design has always been part of the Gold Wing's appeal, and the Trike version doesn't shy away from making a statement. The front retains the recognizable Gold Wing look with sleek, aerodynamic fairings and dual LED headlights that provide excellent nighttime visibility. The bodywork flows smoothly to the rear, where the wider stance of the two wheels is integrated seamlessly. The fenders over the rear wheels are sculpted, not bulky, and they blend into the overall shapes of the Trike.